The Bentonville Film Festival, May 1st through the 6th. Film screenings, community events, live music, and panel discussions. For more information, go to bentonvillefilmfestival.com. If they can see it, they can be it. The Bentonville Film Festival, May 1st through the 6th.
Hi, I'm Brooke Wallace, filling in for Max Brantley with your Arkansas Times News headline updates for Friday, April the 27th. Late yesterday, Pulaski County Circuit Judge Alice Gray granted a preliminary injunction blocking enforcement of the voter ID law. Early voting in the state's May 22nd primary begins May the 7th. The state has announced it will appeal her ruling to the Arkansas Supreme Court. Gray's ruling comes in response to a public interest lawsuit with Barry Haas as plaintiff and Jeff Priebe as his attorney. The lawsuit asked Gray to enjoin use of the state's new voter ID law in the primary elections. The Arkansas Supreme Court held in a 2014 case, also argued by Priebe, that a previous version of the law was unconstitutional. The 2017 legislature altered the language in the law, but the new lawsuit argues that it remains unconstitutional. The membership of the Supreme Court itself has changed quite a bit since 2014 ruling, so we'll see what happens on appeal. The ACLU of Arkansas and the Arkansas Society of Free Thinkers have each announced their intent to sue over the newly erected Ten Commandments monument on the Capitol grounds. The Satanic Temple has said it will file as an intervener in any suit that's filed. Yesterday, Satanic Temple co-founder Lucian Greaves told Benji Hardy, quote, "I honestly don't think the Ten Commandments monument has a shot at staying here legally," end quote. The Satanic Temple had sought to place a statue of the pagan god Baphomet on the Capitol grounds after the Ten Commandments monument was announced, but it was blocked by the legislature. Greaves told the Times that the Baphomet statue is at the temple's headquarters in Salem, Massachusetts, and is ready to go. In the wake of this week's announcement that the Arkansas Repertory Theater is suspending operations effective immediately, a group of community leaders today announced plans for a street party next Tuesday, May the 1st, to raise funds to save the Rep. The event will be held at 5 p.m. directly in front of the theater. The event planners encourage residents to attend and show their support by donating to the Rep's Next Act fundraising campaign. Margaret Sova McCabe has been tapped to be the new dean of the University of Arkansas School of Law, the school announced today. Sova McCabe, currently a law professor at the University of New Hampshire School of Law, was selected after a national search and will assume her duties on July the 1st. She will become the 13th dean since the School of Law's founding in 1924. The school noted that this makes the U of A only the second law school in the nation to be led by 3 consecutive women as deans. Well, that's all your news headlines for today. You can read more on the Arkansas blog. Thanks and have a great weekend.